Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here. Now this video, we're going to be talking about a vehicle, a Latrax line of vehicles that I was able to create, design a part to allow us to drift. Now you can 3D print these parts, meaning you don't need to go anywhere, especially in these times. You don't need to go anywhere. You can pretty much manufacture your own part at home. So that's one of the best things about this, is we can get parts literally in only a couple hours and we're good to go. Now the best part of it is you can go ahead and go on the thingiverse.com website and download this part for completely free. So let's talk about why I chose the Latrax line of vehicles. Now the Latrax line of vehicles I feel is a very robust type of vehicle. I have a Teton as well as the Prerunner that you'll see here very shortly. You can bounce them off walls, you can smash them into each other, you can fly them off small little indoor ramps, and they just keep going. They're a vehicle that I have had a lot of good luck with, and this is not just me running it 5 times and that's it. It's been over the course of years now. I've had and owned these for a couple years and they continue to perform flawlessly. In fact, I've actually taken the Latrax Teton here and I've upgraded the electrical components. We're talking the motor as well as the speed control. They originally come with a brush setup. I've put a brushless setup in this one, and I've also upgraded the internals, so this is the spur gear as well as the drive shafts, to a metal. Now I didn't have any trouble with the drive shafts, but I did hear reports online when just searching forums that there is concern around them, so I ended up swapping them just as a preventative maintenance type thing to get rid of them for the improved power that I have now within the vehicle. I ended up swapping as well the nickel metal hydride battery for a lithium polymer battery. Now even though I've done that to this vehicle, you do not need this kind of power in order to drift using the 3D printed wheels. So here is the Latrax Prerunner. This guy here has the 3D printed wheels. You're able to drift on hard surfaces as well as soft surfaces, like any type of carpet that has a relatively small thickness. You're able to drift no problem. I've been able to also run this vehicle in complete stock form. That's why the wheels are on this specific vehicle. This vehicle is stock. It's got the brush motor. It's got the nickel metal hydride battery. It doesn't have any upgraded parts whatsoever. It's really beat up. It's been drifting now for probably a good part of a couple months, and it does it very well. So the point here is that even a stock system, you can still get this thing to drift very, very easily. There's lots of power in that stock setup. These things move pretty good. So I want to show you now the video here as to how it drifts. Obviously we can't go out in these certain times, so I just tried to set up a camera outside in the driveway, and that's it. I know that you guys probably can drift 8,000 times better than I can. I'm not really much of a drifter, but it sure is fun. I'm able, especially when you're able to hold a nice drift around the corner for quite some time and then transition into like a figure 8 style course. So go ahead, download these parts, see if you can get them operating so that you can also stay, inside, indoors, not have to even go out to get a part. I hope you're able to download the file. Let me know how it goes. Hey guys, that pretty much sums up the entire video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw there with the 3D printed wheels that you can download for absolutely free. It's on the Thingiverse website. You can head over there, grab the wheels, print them out, and then head out into your driveway or just stay inside and drift indoors. Like the video if you do, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.